Wrestle time! Ah!
Right now, and don't waste another second. Stop us. We are ferocious. And we come from the east, and we eat plenty of yeast. Yeah, the strongest of all time, the unstoppable force, and we unleash our strength with no hesitation to this relation. You may now conclude what I was saying to the people. Yeah. It's something that I can't withstand, but I feel the pain. VikingDust. Yeah! Yeah! You see, we are an awesome tag team combination because we take no prisoners and we are ferocious.
And atrocious.
Yeah! And you're gonna like it now. Can you feel it, VikingDust? Yeah! That's right! We go in there with force and we get what we want to purchase. You know what's good about a book? It never, no matter how long you possess it, 1, 2 years, it will never perish. And with that, you can relish. Yeah!
Yeah!
Yeah! VikingDust! Yeah! Yeah! Don't bet against us because they'll all go broke. And when you go broke, you can't go to the bank and say not a word. Yeah! It's something that I can't withstand, but I feel the pain. Yeah, and repent is something you don't want coming from the VikingDust. Can you hear what I'm saying? I'm coming strong with unstoppable force. And here my buddy Wrestle Touch. He's a tag team partner that you just can't beat, even with a sledgehammer. Let him know. Yeah, I feel it. Yeah. It's something I can't withstand. I'm just getting ready for my plan. Because the world wants to know what I got in my mind. And sometimes I'm so crazy I don't know what's in my mind myself. But I just react to whatever comes within my grasp. Yeah. And I mean, when I get in with my grasp, you crush it. You keep it in your hand and you don't let go. You put all into it. So, man, Wrestle, yeah, I think we should go hurry up and quit wasting time and get that birthday present right now. What do you say about that, buddy? Yeah.
What are we waiting for? I'm getting tired of talking. I want action now.
Yeah, right now.
I can't stretch this enough.
Not enough, no.
Let's go.
Not even this length at all, no. No, you can't stretch it, no. Not even with a stretch limousine, no. Not at all, because it even needs gasoline. But we breathe plenty of oxygen. Oxygen that just comes from you within. And it comes from what solar system? I just don't know. I'm just a guessing. That's all I've been doing. Yes. Guessing is my plan. Yeah.
That's right, guys.
What the hell?
Yeah.